Hi everyone, I'm Akanksha and this is Infi Desires Doodle. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell button so that you'll get notified. So in today's video, I'll show you some very easy floral doodles. We'll do some flower designs, some leaves, and you can use these to make cards or even for your calligraphy background. So firstly what I'm going to do is I have sketched out with the pencil and then I am quickly making the borderline with a black uni pin fine line pen, and then we can just color it out. So I have used brush pens and these fine liner pens. You can use any sketch pen, any crayons, and whichever colors you like. So I'm going to leave this all along with the music. Let me know in the comments what you think about it, and do let me know what else you want to see on this channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, the share button, and do subscribe to my channel. Tell me what did you like the most in the comments below, and I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe.